everyone, are you ready for some really fun thing? This super toy is so much fun and it's a train. And this is a roll and surprise animal train. And this special train has 55 songs and melodies and sounds and phrases. And it also teaches you animals and the colors. So let's see here the box. It's got surprises and you can press, you can twist and slide to see the pop-up animals and learn your first words. Also, it comes with a little string so you can also pull it around in your house. And the chimney lights up really good as well. So this is super nice, so let's check out the train and open the box. So here's a little flyer with other cool toys. And the toys are very colorful. Super cool toys. And the user manual. Let's open up. Okay everyone, so here we have the red train with all its fun features, and let's turn on the toy to see what happens.
The train is ready to go! All aboard! Are you ready? Here comes the train! Chugga chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo, on we go!
Cool! So let's check out here. We have the purple button. Let's see what comes here.
The bird is hiding. Can you find the bird?
Okay, so let's see if we can find the bird then.
Let's chug along to the zoo.
Hello, I'm a white dog with blue ears.
Cool!
See you soon.
Let's try the green button. It's a little cat. And let's close.
See you soon.
And let's try the blue button.
Surprise! I'm a yellow bird.
Yes, you are.
See you soon.
Wow, that was fun!
The cat is hiding. Can you find the cat?
Yes, we can.
Let's chug along to the seaside. The dog is hiding. Can you find the dog?
Yes, we can. It's purple.
Yeah, you found the dog. Let's chug along to the train station.
So this train, you can pull it with a string. And it will play some melodies. This toy is so much fun. And look how cute the front of the train is.
The bird is hiding. Can you find the bird?
And here's the other side of the train. is a little teddy bear here.
I'm popping up to say we're going on a trip. Don't forget to pack your things. Woof, woof.
Right.
See you soon.
So let's check out some chocolate surprise eggs today as well. We got 3 eggs, and on the purple button we have 1 egg and it's Hello Kitty. So let's open up this egg. But first, let's see how it flies. Whoa! And there's the cute dog. Okay, so we got the Hello Kitty chocolate egg, and let's see what surprise we have in this egg. And we got white chocolate and milk chocolate. And we have a pink container. And we got the little collector's guide. And we have a cell phone charm. And with Kitty as a doctor. Super cute in her pink doctor's dress. And let's check out the Disney Frozen chocolate egg. But let's see it fly first. Whee! And there's the cute little cat. And we got Queen Elsa and Princess Anna here. Let's open up. Yummy, yummy milk chocolate and white chocolate. And we have a green container. And here's the collector's guide. And here is the toy. And we have to build the toy. And this goes underneath. And then we have a sticker with Olaf. And let's put Olaf here on the toy. Cool! Now we have one more chocolate surprise egg to check out, and it's the Trolls. And the Trolls egg is on the blue turning wheel. So let's see it fly. Whoa! And that's a little cute bird. So let's get the egg. And we got DJ Suki here on the top. And we got some yummy chocolate. And we have a transparent container. And let's see what we have here today. And there is 2 tiny stickers of DJ Suki. And here is the collector's guide. This is a cool toy. You play with it. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you're having fun and enjoying this train because it's super cute with the little animals on top. Check them out. Thank you for watching Fun Toys and Happy Surprises channel. Click or tap on this video to watch it. If you want me to make more fun videos like this one, then make sure to like and subscribe. It's free. Take care everyone and see you all in the next video. Bye!